When a saw has a tall fence like this one, which all DEWALT saws have, crown molding can be cut in a nested position against the fence. The advantage of this position is that it does not require a bevel angle. Notice that I'm placing the bottom of the molding, the part with the decorative edge, against the fence, and the top rests on the table. To cut the right side, set the miter to 45 degrees on the left and make the cut. We'll save the left piece. Next, we'll cut the left side. Set the miter angle to the right at 45 degrees and make the cut. The right-hand piece is the one we'll use. It's always opposite when doing a nested cut because we position the material in the saw upside down. When you're cutting left, keep right. When you're cutting right, keep left. You can see that the pieces fit perfectly together and I didn't have to worry about setting up a bevel cut.